Welcome back to our channel Home Garden. Today, we're debunking some common myths that might be holding you back from a thriving garden. Myth number 1, you should water your plants every day. Reality, while it seems logical, daily watering can lead to overwatering, which can suffocate roots and cause root rot. Most plants prefer a more balanced approach. Myth number 2, all plants need full sun. Reality, not true. Many plants like partial or full shade. Understanding the light requirements of your plants is key to their success. Myth number 3, chemical fertilizers are the best way to nourish your plants. Reality, while chemical fertilizers can provide quick results, they can also harm the soil over time. Organic fertilizers and compost improve soil health and provide nutrients gradually, promoting healthier plants. Myth number 4, you can't grow vegetables in containers. Reality, false. Many vegetables, such as tomatoes, peppers, and herbs, thrive in containers. Just make sure to choose the right size pot and use quality potting mix. Myth number 5, all pests are bad for your garden. Reality, actually, many pests are beneficial. Ladybugs and lacewings help control aphid populations. It's important to identify what insects are in your garden before taking action. Myth number 6, pruning is harmful to plants. Reality, proper pruning promotes growth and health. It helps remove dead or diseased branches and encourages new growth. Myth number 7, soil doesn't need to be tested. Reality, testing your soil helps you understand its pH and nutrient levels, leading to better plant health. Myth number 8, using ground coffee is a magic fertilizer for all plants. Reality, while coffee grounds can provide some nutrients, like nitrogen, they're not a one-size-fits-all solution. Too much can actually harm your plants. Comment down below, what garden myth have you heard that you'd like to see debunked? Like, subscribe, and share for more gardening wisdom. Herb Sparkles.